Welcome back to the channel. In today's cybersecurity tutorial, we're going to learn how to install Nmap on Kali Linux and explore some of the most commonly used Nmap commands for beginners. Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper, is one of the most popular network scanning and reconnaissance tools used by cybersecurity professionals, penetration testers, and network administrators. First, we'll open a terminal in Kali Linux. Before installing any package, it's a good practice to update the package repository information. Run the command sudo apt update. Once the update is complete, install Nmap using sudo apt install nmap-y. If Nmap is already installed, Kali Linux will notify you that the latest version is already present. To verify the installation, type nmap -- version. Now let's perform our first Nmap scan. To scan a single host, use Nmap followed by the target IP address. Nmap will check the target system and identify open ports and running services. This is one of the most basic and commonly used scans. If you want to discover active devices on your local network, you can scan an entire subnet. Use Nmap 192.168.1.0/24. Replace the network range with your own subnet. Next, let's identify service versions running on open ports. Use Nmap-S and the target IP. This command helps determine which services and software versions are running on the target machine. Version detection is extremely useful during vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. Nmap can also attempt to identify the operating system running on a target. Use sudo nmap-O and the target IP address. Nmap analyzes network responses and estimates the operating system of the target host. For more detailed information, Nmap provides the aggressive scan option. Run sudo nmap-A and the target IP. This enables operating system detection, service version detection, default scripts, and traceroute functionality. It's a powerful command that gathers extensive information about a target. If you're interested in checking only specific ports, use Nmap-P followed by the port numbers. For example, Nmap-P80,443 and the target IP. This scans only the specified ports instead of the default set. To perform a complete TCP port scan, use Nmap-P-. This scans all 65,535 TCP ports on the target system. Keep in mind that full port scans may take longer to complete. Sometimes you only want to know which devices are active without performing a full port scan. For that, use Nmap-SN followed by the subnet. This performs host discovery and quickly lists active systems. Next, let's identify Nmap allows you to save scan results for future analysis. To save output in normal format, use Nmap-O N, filename.txt and the target IP. You can also save results in XML format or multiple formats for integration with other tools. And that's it. You've successfully installed Nmap on Kali Linux and learned some of the most important commands every cybersecurity beginner should know. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.